Apple AirPods 4 review. Are these the perfect open-ear earbuds for you? Tired of earbuds that feel like they're clogging your ears? The Apple AirPods 4 with ANC promise a new level of comfort and immersive sound. But do they live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The unboxing experience is pure Apple, clean, simple, and satisfying. Inside, you'll find the AirPods 4, a compact USB-C wireless charging case, a USB-C cable, and the usual documentation. The design is classic AirPods, but with subtle improvements. The stems are shorter, and the earbuds are more contoured for a better fit. They're incredibly light at just 4.3 grams each. The IP54 rating means they can handle sweat and splashes, perfect for workouts or your commute. The charging case is a real winner. It's 10% smaller than before and supports USB-C, Apple Watch chargers, and key wireless charging. A built-in speaker for Find My Pings is a welcome addition. It's polished, portable, and undeniably Apple. Pairing is effortless. Just open the case near your iPhone and a Connect pop-up appears. The H2 chip makes switching between Apple devices seamless. Audio sharing with other AirPods users is a fun social feature. For Android users, they work as standard Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds. However, you'll miss out on features like auto pause and Siri gestures. The H2 chip also enables hands-free Siri interactions. Nod to accept calls or shake your head to decline. Voice isolation, another H2-powered feature, enhances call clarity in noisy environments. In our tests, voices came through crisp and clear, even with background noise. This is a game-changer for commuters and busy professionals. The AirPods 4 with ANC deliver a transformed audio experience. The redesigned acoustic architecture and H2 chip produce richer sound than previous AirPods. Bass is punchier, and mids and highs are clear. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking is a standout feature. It creates a 3D soundstage that moves with your head, making movies and music incredibly immersive. Imagine feeling the roar of a crowd at a live concert right in your ears. Active noise cancellation, ANC, is a first for open-ear AirPods. It effectively dampens low-frequency noise like airplane hums or subway rumbles. Adaptive audio intelligently blends ANC and transparency mode based on your surroundings. Transparency mode is excellent, amplifying ambient sounds naturally. You can easily chat with someone or hear traffic without removing the earbuds. This is crucial for staying aware of your surroundings while enjoying your audio. The AirPods 4 use a force sensor on the stem for controls. A single pinch plays, pauses, a double pinch skips tracks, and a long press toggles ANC modes. It's responsive, but some users may miss the swipe for volume option from the Pro model. Hey Siri works flawlessly for hands-free commands, and the gesture controls are a fun addition. The 3D skin detect sensor pauses audio when you remove an earbud and resumes when you put it back in. Battery life is decent at 4 hours with ANC on, 5 without, with the case providing an additional 20 hours, 30 without ANC. A 5-minute charge gives you about an hour of playback. The Find My integration is a lifesaver, with a louder chime from the case. The AirPods 4 with ANC excel in everyday scenarios. They're great for commuting, workouts, and calls. The IP54 rating provides peace of mind during sweaty gym sessions or unexpected rain. However, ANC has its limits. Higher-pitched noises can still seep through, and the open design means they're not ideal for complete silence. But for an open-ear bud, the noise reduction is impressive. Personalized spatial audio. Explained. This feature uses your iPhone's True Depth camera to scan your ears and create a custom audio profile. This profile tailors the sound to your unique ear shape, resulting in a more immersive and accurate listening experience. It's like having your own personal sound engineer optimizing the audio just for you. AirPods 4 versus AirPods Pro 2. The AirPods Pro 2 offer superior noise cancellation due to their in-ear design and silicone tips. They also have longer battery life and more advanced features like conversation awareness. However, the AirPods 4 provide a more comfortable, open-ear listening experience and are a great option for those who dislike the feeling of in-ear earbuds. Pros: enhanced sound quality with punchier bass. Effective ANC in an open-ear design. Seamless Apple ecosystem integration. Convenient USB-C and wireless charging. Compact and portable charging case. Cons: limited noise cancellation compared to in-ear models. Fit may not be secure for all during intense activity. Battery life could be better. No on-bud volume control. Features are heavily Apple-centric. The Apple AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation are a compelling option for Apple users seeking a comfortable, open-ear listening experience with premium features. They offer a great balance of sound quality, noise cancellation, and convenience. Ready to upgrade your listening experience? Click the link below to purchase your Apple AirPods 4 with ANC today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enjoy immersive sound and all-day comfort. Share this review with your friends and let them know about the latest innovation in audio technology.